There we go. Okay, now music should be at a decent level. Hello, hello, everybody. Hello. Oh, we're not starting off like this, right? we're not starting off like this, right? Oh, man. You guys sometimes. Hello, hello, everyone. How are you doing today? It's gonna be a fun day today. Going to be a very fun day today. Got a lot of stuff going on. You ate a stick of RAM. Let me know how that goes in your digestive system. Arker, it's a whole thing.
It's a whole thing. Hey, voice reveal. Let's go. Real voice. This is the voice of a Giga Chad Arch user. Did you check the package manager? I did not yet. Did not yet. But I made myself a cheat sheet for creating the
partitions for the drive, so I actually sort of know what I'm doing this time. No, not RTX Off. Yes, everyone liked the stream. Like the freaking stream. Gamebreaker, what's up? Let me go ahead and pin that. There we go. Thank you for liking the stream. Appreciate ya. Taha, what's up? First time in the stream, already loving it here. Let's go. You'll love to hear it. Guys, look at this. If I lean back, the light from my window looks like it's like the freaking Eye of Sauron on the side of my face. Probably not gonna call you on Discord, but yeah, like I said, I was making myself a cheat sheet last night for how to actually create the partitions for our kind of, I guess it's like the drive structure for our OS, pretty much, is I made the cheat sheet for. So yeah, hopefully things go smoothly today and we actually get things done. It's just that first part, actually making the partitions, they don't outline it very in detail, because I guess there's too many like edge cases of like, oh, well, what if they have an NVMe? Oh, what if they have spinning drive? Oh, what if they have just a regular SSD? But you know, so they just made it a little confusing at the top of it, which is a little sucky. But I tried installing Arch Linux on a VM. Yeah, everybody had to help me last stream install Arch on a VM. Anything else happen last stream I missed? Not really. Create more easily by running that command. Maybe. Did your DM help? To be honest, I don't remember, because I had to go through and answer like 200 comments when I woke up, because I like to answer a lot of, I try and answer like all the comments on my videos. Went crazy when installing it. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's something. It's something. They had to, my viewers had to help me install Arch. Can install Linux on an Android smartphone. Interesting. Guys, remember, drink your water. Gotta have the PewDiePie shaker cup. I don't drink G Fuel, but I have before, and it's actually quite good. Brain can finally say, I use Arch, by the way, on a VM. I'm not to the point where I can say I use Arch, by the way, but at least on a VM. When I walked in, I saw everybody saying RTFM. I didn't know what it meant. I honestly don't know what that means either. Oh, read the freaking manual. I know what it means. Never mind, guys. I'm not stupid. Use Windows, by the way. Same, despite my video that I made. Uses Zorin OS Pro. I thought about trying it in a VM to see if it would be something that I would like, but no, I'm not a Linux user as of right now. Like I was saying in my video, if they do get better support for it though, I would like to. I like to use Linux. I mean, I'm a Windows fanboy, but they're doing some pretty dumb stuff with all the AI and everything. They pay for it? I don't pay for nothing, bro. I don't pay for nothing. Okay, so... Bro, what did you... Hold on. Okay, Discord going crazy right now, but I have the thing on Do Not Disturb, so... Probably pirated Windows. No, I actually did. I did pay for a Windows license, so... Should make a video on how to install Arch the proper way. You think I know how to do that? I'm just kidding. Try to Bellum, what's going on? How is it going? So I have Windows keys, but I pirated anyway. So last stream we did, we got to the point where we installed Arch. So yes, we are basing our OS off of Arch. That is our host system because everybody forced me to use it. But I did download a Gen 2 ISO just in case we need it. Nelson, how's it going? Only Windows key I have is for my old PC. That's fair enough. I mean, if it works, it works, you know? Arch Linux? Yeah, it's a Linux distro that everybody fanboys over. You can always use Arch installer or whatever it's called. It's an official way of installing it, but it's easier. Nice. Use Arch install. Floppa is here. E. Hello. Love the username. So simple. Okay, stream elements. Chill out. Okay, yeah.
Stream elements going crazy. Sorry, Game Breaker. Oh my god. Well, I mean, we're here now. But yeah, last stream, we got Arch Linux installed. We tried to use Gparted, but that did not work. But it's fine because now I know how to do the stuff. So, and I've got, hold on, I'm gonna unplug it for a second. You guys
are gonna think this is funny. Like RTX Linux, which is a different initialization system. I see. Cancel Braden. Use your big brain to make LFS. True. Actually going to be doing Linux from scratch? Yes. Yes, I am. Like I was saying, I've been using this, which is an external PlayStation drive that I've had from forever ago. It's 2 terabytes, so it'll probably work. I'm just going to plug it into USB and pass it through to the virtual machine. And that's what we're going to use as our drive to get things going, to make our partitions, to make our file system, pretty much, that we want to use for this distribution. Your last will be, I installed Linux from scratch by selling my soul to the devil. See what happened after 10 million views. Oh, that's the dream. 10 million views. I could get out of this apartment. I uninstall Ubuntu on my Steam Desk SD card. Gen 2 first, huh? Gonna give us an ISO? Yes, I plan on it. Once everything's done. So once this is done, it's just gonna be like a basic, like, kernel distro where it's just like a CLI and everything. But I do want to do beyond Linux, and we're probably gonna use KDE Plasma for like the window management and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, we're gonna go crazy with this thing. AAA, what's up? How's it going? This will indeed take a while. E, yes, you are correct. It will. RTFM next time you install Arch, bruh. Doing LFS? That's crazy. Yes, indeed. I am doing LFS. I am. Like I was saying, if you just got in here last stream, we got Arch installed. I am basing it off of Arch. That's going to be our host system because My chat forced me to use Arch, so yeah. When it's done, I'll try installing your Linux distro on my SD card. Good luck. Good luck to me too, because I hope I can get something working. Want to see him do BLFS after? Yeah, we're gonna definitely do BLFS. Linux is for amateur. Real men use BSD. Giga Chad BSD moment. AirOS gonna be crazy. Yes, it is. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. So. Jesus, it's already been 13 minutes. What are you talking about, dude? It feels like it's been like 10. Well, it's kind of the same thing. It feels like it's been 5. Open based. For real. Okay, so get my stuff set up here. We'll go ahead and get VMware launched. And move my keyboard closer so I can actually do this. Eating DDR4 RAM is crazy. Good thing I have DDR5. I might be safe. Okay, let's launch our Arch installation. Yes, I know that you guys can't see any of this. I will get to that in a second. Oh, man. Thank you. Best Bunny? Best Bunny? I hope I say that right. 007. Thank you for the sub. Appreciate ya. Gonna use EFI stub or grub. Probably grub, because it's gonna be easier, and I know how grub works. DDR7? Bros from the future. Tell me how it is. Thank you, Best, for the sub. Appreciate you. Eating DDR5 is crazy. I agree. RTX 4090 next time. You even got enough room in your stomach? That thing's a fat-ass PSU. Or, not PSU. What am I talking about? What do you call it? GPU. Oh, come on, Linux. Now you want to scale correctly. Jeez. What is this, dude? Okay. Eat the RTX 6090 without the zeros. Is KDE Plasma, and I'm sure many others are. Yeah. 6090 will be nice, I can assure that. Bro, we're not even getting the 5090 yet. Are they even confirmed, the 50 series? I heard people talking about it, but I don't even know if it's like a confirmed thing. So you mentioned about it, about a video idea for Atlas OS. Yes, I want to try like different Windows kind of things too. Linux being bipolar. Yeah, it's something else. Ate a freaking Dell Optiplex. Dude, how big is your stomach? Set the VM full screen and pull up the guide in there. That is true. That is true. I will admit, I cheated. I looked up a video guide on how to do this stuff, but it's for a good cause so that you guys actually have an enjoyable experience. VXE, what's going on? You eat VRAM, bro? You just like ripping the chips off the freaking PCB? Linux from scratch, indeed. Can I give you an Atlas OS ISO because you don't provide that? They don't provide that anymore? They don't, really? They didn't launch them yet. Okay, so it's not confirmed, the 50 series. Okay. Why does it still show the $1 I donated last time? Because you're the most recent donator. So, it shall stay until somebody else donates. Making Linux from scratch, indeed I am. Slow mode on? It is not. Potato with a battle axe. Thank you for the sub. Thank you. Lego Man, hello. Use XFCE. Plasma's too bloated. Actually, XFCE is not that bloated. Or what's KDE Plasma? It's not that bloated. Like infinite ways to customize Linux from scratch. Yeah, it's a rabbit hole, I guess. It's something. You can make your own distro. I mean, like from the ground up, that would take like years and like experienced coding, and I'm not very experienced in coding, so I don't know about that. Plasma's way too good. Proud user of Ubuntu. Just kidding. Bruh. Okay, I'm gonna lower this to like 720p. Where are you? Okay. Let me apply. There we go. Now it's scaling correctly. Great. Potato with the battle axe with the follow on Twitch as well. Choo! Bro's making sure he's got all his bases covered. Make a new kernel while you're at it? Yeah, right. Okay, so is there a default web browser in here, or do I have to get Firefox? Hold on. Console. Sudo Pacman. Firefox. No operations special. Oh, I have to do the -s, right? Sudo -s. No operations special. What does that mean? Is the closest thing to making your own distro? It's true, true. Random package manager on top. Text mode version of a browser? What? Sudo Pacman -s. Okay, I did it backwards. Sorry, mate. I did it a little bit backwards. -s, Firefox. Not Firefix. Bro, I want Firefox. Thank you. Yes. Okay, and then we'll just full screen this and use the tutorial in the install. Yes. Doesn't work, get it from Discover. A good thing I got it to work. Have a desktop environment? Yes, I do. Okay, so that is installed. We'll go ahead and open that up. And pin that to the right. Hello, Mr. Firefox. Thank you. Okay, don't care. Alright, so let's see, I think VMware supports copy and paste through machines. Nope, okay. LFS. Book online. Read LFS online. Thank you. Stable LFS. And I'm like up to here. Yeah. Okay, so now we can just get rid of that. Full screen this. Control Shift V to paste text. Hold on, I want to see if that works. Control Shift V. No, it don't work. Oh well, I got it anyway. Yes, I installed Plasma on this instance of whatever you call it. Oh no, I just want settings. So no. So if I make this, hold on, where's resolution? More appearance settings? No. Display and monitor, there we go. If I make this, where's 2560 by 1440? Bruh, what? 1080, apply. Okay, well, we're gonna have to deal with that. Oh, you have to install VMware tools. Okay, gotcha. No! Bruh. Oh god, why did it revert? Hold on. Let me do this. Apply. Keep. Okay, that's gonna be the best that we're gonna get. Luis, thank you for the follow, or not the follow, the subscription. Appreciate ya. Control Alt F2 for an easier interface, bro. That is such a lie.
I know you guys are being little crazy dudes. You know what? We're here now. So you guys are stuck listening to my high-pitched voice, and you're gonna like it. Okay? Now I need to run this script to make sure that this has all the dependencies that we need. Control C, enter. Okay, everything came back as
okay, so we should be good to continue. VMware tools already installed because Arch is just better. That's better now. I can rest in peace. What is it with the eating hardware? I don't know. He ate a GT710. Probably won't recognize his count, but you may not remember my old alt from years ago based on character called Bob Millen. I believe we last talked during your Green Hell stream. I remember you. I do remember you. That was quite a while ago, back when this was still a gaming channel. Holy. Yeah, that was a while ago. You like your stream? Appreciate. Thank you, Luis, for the subscription. Oh my goodness. More subscription? Potato with battle axe. There it goes. I don't know why it takes so long. Crafting manager. Hello, hello. What DE do I use? I'm not sure. I don't know what DE means, so. And look at me trying to do Linux from scratch. I'm not too caught up on the lingo, you know. KDE? Oh, desktop environment. Never mind, I'm just being dumb. It's Plasma. Yeah, KDE Plasma. Oh, man. Yeah, now you guys are telling me desktop environment. Jeez. I'm so sorry, guys. My brain is... I woke up three hours ago, so I'm so sorry. LXQT for the thing is fast and stable. I mean, once the distro is released, you can you can replace it with LXQT, but I'm gonna go with Plasma for now. But all of our stuff is good here. I actually need to pass through that USB drive. Seagate connect. Okay. There we go. Okay, so the LFS drive has been passed through to Arch. How have I been? I have been great. I have been great. Yo, what's going on? Lumen? I should just call you Junior, because that's what you are in the Discord. Which, if you guys have not joined the Discord yet, make sure to do so. Use the !Discord. It shall send the link in the chat, and you guys shall have fun in the Discord. Okay. So, let me get my cheat sheet open here. Let me get back to my Windows. LFS partitions.txt. Pull that up over here. All right, mate. Let's get it going, shall we? Very nice. Sudo pacman-r pacman. Why Windows 11? That's just what I have. See, making good progress? We are about to. We are about to. Okay, so these two chapters must be done as a user LFS. LFS command must be used before performing any task in these chapters. If you do not do that, you're installing packages to the host and potentially rendering it unusable. Must be done as user LFS. Okay, so is the MK user a thing? I think that is, right? LFS, right? No, it's not. Never mind. You love eating hardware. I see. Moaalciari. I think that's how you say your name. Thanks for the follow on Twitch. Appreciate you. So, yeah, how do I make a user? What am I doing? I am trying to make a Linux distribution from scratch. People stop eating hardware without putting the sauce, the thermal paste, do the magical stuff. Bro, for real. Gotta have it a little bit of sauce on there, you know? A little bit of thermal paste. Read the fucking manual. User ad? I see. Okay, well, you guys are saying -G, or like -M, additional groups, S, login shell username, or just wheel. I don't know what these things do. Always do it through GUI. Actually studying IT support in college. I'm close to earning my Google IT support certification. It's entry-level stuff, though. Nice, let's go. I believe I have that one. It's like the Coursera IT support. I think I have that one. Using Arch Linux here or Linux from scratch? We're doing Linux from scratch, but I'm using Arch Linux as a base. Valley, what's up? How's it going? How's it going? My fiance is not a streamer. She said that she wants to get into it though soon, so possibly at some point. Viewer record? Maybe? Eat your computer? It's a little too big. I mean, it's an ITX build, but it's still a little too big to fit in my stomach. Floodix, what's going on? I'm working in the Linux shell right now. So right now, I just passed through the external drive I have connected to my PC. I passed that through to the VM so that we can create our file system on that drive so that we have a file system to work from. Thank you for the sub, Alberto. Appreciate ya. You mean a lunch? ITX is nothing. Okay, so procedures performed as the root user after section 2.4 must have the LFS environment variable set for the root user. Chapters run commands on the root system. We're starting to be certain of one thing. Okay. 21 record, let's go. What are points in the chat? So you get points for chatting, and you can use those points to make my stream look goofy, pretty much. All the commands are in the description down there. It's for my YouTube viewers, by the way. ATX is nice and meaty. PC to E, gotta add the thermal paste. It's true. Who dares me to make Archer OS? I mean, it's
definitely a fun thing to do. Is make your own Linux distribution. God mode has been enabled. Oh God. Okay, so that's not what I want. I don't want to use Google account. Jesus Christ.
I think the hard part will be once you finish LFS. Maybe. Oh God. 1/3 the way back to the points I had. Let's go. Okay, I'm just gonna do user add LFS. Oops, I didn't mean to do a space. User add LFS. Permission denied. Sudo user add LFS. Come on, buddy. Okay. So how do I switch user? How do I switch to the LFS user then? Nothing beats the taste of a 4090 with a little knocked with thermal paste and some liquid nitrogen for the soup. God tier. Just love Linux messaging here on a Samsung Galaxy A5 running post-market OS. Let's go, dude. Sudo configuration. Truing. Su LFS. Oh, I might have to set a password for that user, right? Sorry for smacking the mic. Password, LFS. You may not view or modify password for information. Okay, well, you know what? I'm just gonna do everything through the frickin' root thing then. Whoops. There we go. Okay, and then we want to password, LFS, new password. Okay. And then we'll want to LFS. Or whoops. Okay, exit. LFS. There we go. Okay, now we're switched to the LFS user. Sudo switching to the LFS user. Yes. Very nice. Okay, so now we may continue. Okay, it even says su LFS right here. Before continuing your tasks in these chapters, if you don't... Okay, so we're just going to stay in the LFS user. I heard LFS is super long compared to Gen 2. Yeah, it takes quite a while. Make a church for Linux. Gee, that sounds like a cult at that point. Gnome, try poisoning us? Oh, you donated again? Oh, well, I appreciate you. I don't know why it's not showing. I'm sorry it's not showing. I don't know how to fix that. Is Stream Elements being stupid? Hold on. I'm gonna just turn Stream Elements off. Just get him out of the chat. Be ready for severe brain rot after chapter 4. I've heard that it's just a lot of, like, the same commands over and over, just compiling everything, and it gets really boring. Okay, get out of here, Stream Elements. You're not welcome. It's blocking normal messages? Yeah, that's not good. I just wanted it to frickin'... Hold on. Spam filters. Caps protection, whatever. I want link protection, paragraph protection turned off, symbol protection. Yes, I want. Whatever. Okay, anyway, I got rid of Stream Elements, so should be good now. Should be fine. Okay. Lotson, what's going on? Why do I run KDE? Because I like it. Who's that in the background? It is my beautiful fiance. Dog? Yes, I have 3 dogs. One of them is under my desk, and then 2 of them are on the bed. Hello. Wait. I have a cat in the background? No, that is my dogs. It's showing now. Let's go. Thank you for the super chat. XK, thank you. $2.14, appreciate ya. Okay. So the mount LFS partition must be mounted. View operations from changing ownership to entering the root environment must be done as the root user with LFS environment variable set for the root user. Entering root, the LFS environment variable must be set for root. The LFS variable is not used after true environment has been entered. What does that even mean? Blue Oak, what's going on? Don't know anything about Linux, but I'll probably jump to Mint after your last vid. Awesome. Very nice. What project is this, my friend? It is Linux from scratch. Maybe it's better to modify the title to something like building a custom Linux image from scratch, because I think people will think that you're just modifying some distros or something. Maybe, but yeah, I think should be fine for now. Wise Noodle, what's up? Good evening, sir. Glad to see you messing with LFS. Indeed. 521 hours, 13 minutes for my Linux Mint installation. There's something wrong there. Oh, God. Not the wavy cam. Okay. So here's the big one. Here's what we gotta do. Time to start setting up my Minecraft server and start moderating at the same time. Let's go. Gain like 330 subs in like a day.
On my on my one video that has the most views that I've ever seen before, the one that almost has like 200k views, I got like the bulk of my audience from that. I got 5,000 subs from that video. It's insane. I was like, holy crap, maybe I could actually have YouTube as my job. Don't know how to replay in the YouTube app. Oh well, it'll probably be fine. God mode. Holy. You guys are going
Crazy with the redeems. Okay, I got my cheat sheet pulled up here. So, I'm gonna have to sudo fdisk then. We trust you ever see the usual lecture from blah blah blah. Password for LFS. Yeah. LFS is not in the sudoers file. How do I fix that? Love the effects. What do you use for those? Is an OBS plugin? I use StreamerBot. It's a little advanced, but once you get everything set up, it's pretty cool. Gotta go. Need to rush your window manager and stuff. Good luck. Happy you stopped by. Hope you have fun with that. Maybe mess around with the dinit services for a slight quicker boot just to organize. Let's go. Stream Elements keeps blocking the chat? Still? Bro, I'm gonna just remove it from mod on my channel. Hold on, give me a second. Stream Elements, get the hell out of here. Nobody likes you. You're being stinky. Oh, cat told me he blocked the messages. Fair enough. So how do I put LFS user in the sudoers file? Open the sudoers file and add your user. Sudo user mod -ag sudo LFS. Will that actually work? Let's see here. Use the wiki. Is there? Well, you know what? There you go, Arch Wiki. One click away from the Arch Linux Wiki. I got there. Okay. You have to use an account that has sudo rights, just saying? Yeah. To add it to sudo, okay. So we'll just have to go to the root then, I guess. Gen 2 wiki for the win. Okay, hold on, let me scrunch this down a bit. Okay. Okay, so sudo user mod -ag. Is it wheel or sudo? Sudo LFS? Oops. Group sudo does not exist. Well, wheel worked. Sudo did not work. Okay, so is that gonna work then? Says LFS is still not in the sudoers file. You're gonna go cry. It's okay. Check if wheel is enabled in sudoers. How do I check that? I think you can use editor, which is nano viz vi sudo. Need to find the sudoers config directory. Need to leave. All the love, man. Appreciate you stopping by. Hope you have a great rest of your morning, day, night, whatever it is for you. It'll troll hard now? No. Nano, etc, sudoers. Error reading, permission denied. Okay. Get me out of here. I hit X to exit. It's not letting me exit. It's just typing. Guys? Control X. Save? No. Okay. Thank you. Sudo nano. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then let's nano / etc / sudoers. Oh, there we go. Me no go cry. Why am I using Windows? I mean, it's just what I'm on right now. I need to use like Adobe Premiere Pro and stuff. That's what works. It's read only. I tested what's going on. You have the same desktop as UKDE Plasma with Arch. Let's go. Yeah, how do you know if it's read only? I don't see if it's where it is. This file must be edited with the vi sudo command as root. Okay, so I have to do this with vi sudo instead of nano then, right? No editor found? Bro, what? Echo, what's going on? Add the points from previous stream? Yes, you do. Oh, God. The proper way to do it, if you edit it without vi sudo, then it can mess up sudo. Oh. I don't have the time to watch, but really like your content. Thank you very much. Appreciate you stopping by. Wait, somebody became a member. Vexel, I didn't even see that you became a member. Thank you. Appreciate ya. Don't know why it's taking so long to show up in the frickin' the thingies. Appreciate ya. Okay, you know what? Let me just pop out YouTube chat. I'm just gonna, hold on. Copy current address. That, go to my docs. Custom browser docs.
YT chat. Paste that in there. Apply. Close. Yes, sir. Okay. Now I can see the chat a lot better. And things that are going on.
Okay. All right. VI doesn't matter? Huh. So I just sudo then. No, that's... My homework ate my cat? Bro. Straight to jail. It's meant to be read-only. Okay, it doesn't say that it is read-only. It says that it's meant to be read-only. I don't want to butcher your name, but hello, I see you. Just need to type vi sudo without the path. I see. Vexel, thank you. Thank you for that super chat. Trying to get your way around Linux is indeed hard. Yes, it is. You can edit it then? Yes. My step dogged on a bee. Root. I see root. You're welcome. Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. XK, your spot just got stolen as top donator. Can you make a comeback? I see buggers, package manager. Uncomment wheel. Okay, where was that at? That was all the way down here. Wheel. So, okay, if I come up here and not do that, do that. It says uncomment to allow you members of group wheel to execute any command. Add your user as well. Not that one, the one above. Oh, okay, I see. So comment that back out. Oh, I see. So, do I want this or... Because there's one down here for sudo, so I should probably add my user to the sudo thing and then just uncomment this, right? Is that correct? Do wheel and add your user, it'll make stuff easier. Don't? Okay. So we're uncommenting this one. Sudo group doesn't exist. 23 people, new record, let's go. Agreed. Sudo rm rf. It's easy and everybody uses it. Okay, so should I still do this if I use that sudo rm command? Wheel allows users to run sudo. I see. Yeah, just saying, the kill Minecraft command in the description won't do anything. It, like, if I'm ever streaming Minecraft or something, which I'll probably do, like, the gaming streams for members only from now on, because people seem to not really want to watch those, so it'll just be a members only thing. So when I do that, it'll probably be when that would be applicable. God, dude, you guys freaking love these effects, huh? I should probably shorten them to like 15 seconds instead of 30. When you uncomment wheel, make sure to add yourself to the wheel group. Okay, so the LFS user has already been added to the wheel group. Arker, welcome back. Okay, so I want to exit and save that. Okay, so now if I exit, go back to the LFS user, can I sudo fdisk?
It's not in the sudoers file. It still did not work. No, what's going on? I see ya. Uncomment the wheel and change wheel to LFS. Bro, what? going on. I see you. I see you.
To add yourself to wheel, run sudo usermod ag wheel your username. I thought that's what I did. Sudo usermod -ag wheel LFS. LFS is not in the sudoers file. Okay, let me try and do that in the root. Sudo usermod -ag wheel LFS. Okay, so that should be added now. Still not in the sudoers file. I did uncomment wheel, yes. Where did I? Actually, let me go back to root. So if we go back down here, I think I uncommented the wheel. Yeah, it's uncommented here. Password your mom? Bruh. Why are you so mean? Reboot now? It doesn't. It was just a bug in old Linux systems now. It's safe. Just an alternative to do usermod ag wheel username. I see. Try rebooting. Okay. So I'm gonna exit. Okay. Reboot. We shall wait. Making ArcOS is insane. I'm scared. Okay, I want to log in as the LFS user. Hello? Guys? Please install the program OBS Studio, please. Okay, so I'm just gonna log into here and switch to my user LFS then. Log in as your main user, yeah. Go ahead and launch that. Oh, nice, it just automatically opens up to the last page I was on. That's sick. No, I don't want settings. Get out of here, get out of here. Console. Guys, do I look somewhat competent now doing things in Linux? Hopefully. Okay, so su LFS. I typed that wrong. Why does it take so long, bro? Su LFS 1 2 3 4. Brother, I swear. Is it asking for the password for LFS? I think it is. Okay. There. Yeah, it was. Okay, so now I want to try get my cheat sheet pulled up here for commands. No, you don't. Oof. fdisk-l. Okay, it's at least showing me stuff. It still says permission denied though. Everyone arguing if KDE or GNOME is better. Me using XFCE and XQLT. Giga Chad. Last year or two, I've been trying to do less spaghetti code for my game development. I am really bad at coding, so you're probably light years ahead of me. Oop, I spelled that wrong. F-disk. I want F-disk. There we go. Okay. So we want PS4 game drive. That's what we want. Meanwhile, I'm using i3 window manager. I think I had to use that when I made my phone a Linux gaming PC. Imagine in 2057 he actually finishes LFS and starts BLFS. That's what it feels like it's gonna be. Still have to research things so it evens out. That's fair enough. Okay, so for this we want to do wipe fs. I should probably do sudo wipe fs -a /dev. Then we want to do sdb. All right, and then that should wipe that drive. Oh, whoops! I put a space in between wipe and fs. Okay, so that's been wiped. Anjanea, I hope I said that right. Hello. You'll stream my stream. Interesting. Welcome back, Vexel. I don't know if you're in here when I said thank you, but thank you for your membership. Appreciate you. You're freaking sick. Okay, so we want to fdisk and then dev, and what was it? It was that sdb. All right. Changes will remain in memory only until you decide to write them. Be careful before using the right command. Permission denied. Okay, guess we gotta sudo everything then. Okay, now we're actually gonna do stuff. Hello, hello. If I have a rap, my rap name would be a little Archie. Fair enough. Udhaditya, I hope I said your name somewhat correctly. Hello. Sudo, yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. It's giving me installing Arch Linux for the first time flashbacks. Yeah, it's insane. A rhyme of the day. Back in the Mac packed on tape in the fact by my RE rec. The fact that the lack of the defense. Brother, he's in rhyme zone right now. Okay, so we want to create a new GPT disk label. Okay, and then we want to create, accept defaults there. Then we want to plus 200M. Create a new partition, 200 megabytes in size. There we go. So that is going to be our boot partition. Good to see you attempting LFS. Keep it up. Thank you, sir. When you forget to add sudo in a command, you can just you can do sudo exclamation exclamation. It brings the executes previous command with sudo. Ah, that's nice. I did not know that. Indeed, did not know that. Thank you. Okay, so that's our first partition. We'll create another one for our EFI. Partition number. Defaults 2. Yeah, that's fine. And we'll want to make that. Let's see. 1 second. I want to make that 200 megabytes as well. Plus 200M. All right. And then we want to change that partition type of number 2. And we'll go ahead and list those. Holy, we just want EFI. EFI is number 1. Okay, so we want 1. Change to EFI. Okay, so if we list, whoops. Okay, how do we list out the things? Your message corrupted. You can use T to set the partition type. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So let's see. How do I list known partition types? So that's partition types. How do I list out my actual partitions? I guess. Yeah, that's just types. Thank you for the sub, Brat. Appreciate ya. So how do I actually list out my 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 things. P? Ah, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, yeah, so we got that, the boot. That's the Linux file system up here, and then we got our EFI system. Okay. Why don't you use CF disk dash CG disk? Because I don't want to. Setting up Linux Mint is hard. Bro, what? 25 people, let's go. Indeed, indeed. Let us go. Okay, so for our partition 3, we want to use a swap partition. It's going to be partition 3. First sector's fine. We're going to make that 2 Gs. All right. And we're going to change that type, number 3. And we're going to try and find swap. Make 100 gig swap? Bro, I don't think we need 100 gigs of swap. But I want to use cool F disk. Bro, still over here munching on freaking hardware. Linux swap. Where is Linux swap? Am I looking in the right place? I don't know if I'm looking in the right place. We want a swap. Bro, where's swap? What? I mean, swap's right here, but like... Be back soon. Bye for now. Alrighty. See you later. 19? Is it 19? Am I just blind? 19, Linux swap. You are correct. Thank you so much. It's gonna sit there for forever trying to find that. Okay, so I think you said it was P. Yes. Because we got 200 megabyte boot, 200 megabyte EFI, 2 gig Linux swap. Very nice. The most daunting task in game dev for me is saving and loading system. That's true. Some free laptops. Be better to use swap file rather than a partition. Well, it'll be fine. Okay, and then we just want to use the rest of the disk for the whole ext4. So, yes, yes, accept that. Very nice. Okay, so now if we list out, we've got the boot, EFI, swap, and free storage. Okay. Krish, hello, hello. I do remember you. Okay, so now that we have our partitions, go ahead and exit. No. Oh gosh, how do I exit? What did I just do? Partition 4 has been resized. I don't want it to be resized. That's the same anyway, so. Character positioning, saving is one thing. Then there's checkpoints. Already played cutscenes, stats, triggers, and navigation meshes. True. I mean, I had the option to take like game dev for my vocational classes in high school, but yeah, it was too much for me. I at least learned a little bit of Python though. Write it to disk. Oh, you're so right. Write to disk. Very nice. Partition table has been altered. Okay, cool. I should access. Nicholas, what's going on? Dog ate your homework and then ate my cat. Well, that's a little bit unfortunate. Ate a server CPU. I heard the Xeons are pretty good. Okay, so now we actually want to make these into things. So make fs-v-t ext4-dev and then dash what was the SDB? I think it was permission denied. Okay, sudo sudo exclamation exclamation. You guys just told me. Epic tastes better. 550 powers. 550 watt power supplies taste good. Maybe. You have to let me know. Ate a Threadripper? Brother. Contains DOS MBR boot sector, partition 1, 3, partition table. Proceed anyway? Yes. Okay, so that has been done. Creating journal. Alright. Very nice. Writing superblocks file system. Counting information done. Sweet. Okay, so our boot is finished. iMac, how's it going? How are you? Okay, so now for our EFI partition, we're gonna have to do makefs dot vfat-f. Want that 32 dev sdb. Oh, we got a sudo. Gotta sudo that. makefs.vfat was not found. Not RTX off. I can't help Brandon pixels. Did you just write to the entire disk? No, just that that first partition. I think. I think you might be right. I think I might need to redo all of what I just did. I think you might be right. Hold on. Let me sudo fdisk-l. Yep, I indeed did. Welp, that sucks. Oh wait, no, there's the SDB. Okay, so you accidentally ate Linus Tech Tips. He might not be too happy about that. RTX Off is like the 8-bit stages in Rayman Legends. So true. Marcus Johansson. Hello, hello. I see what he's doing. Yes. Yes. Okay, so if I go into fdisk, okay. So yeah, I'm probably going to, let's go into fdisk. Or what? Sudo fdisk. Let me in. Does he know what he's doing? Somewhat. We'll get there. Don't you use gparted? Nah. Bro, why is it telling me bad usage? When I literally just did this a second. Oh, crap. Oh, never mind. I have to fdisk to the disk, bro. I'm so freaking dumb. Dev SDB. Okay. Permission denied. Sudo. Thank you very much. Device contains ext4, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Yes, it seems that I wrote the ext4 to the whole drive. If you're using GPT partition table, use gparted. Yes, we do not want the GPT partition table. fdisk requires a parameter to work or a disk. Yeah. Just found that out. Guys, I gotta turn the AC on. It's 83 degrees in here. Fahrenheit for you European people. I would be dead if it was Celsius. Okay, so let's redo all of our partitions again. I want a new partition. Actually, let me wipe the drive again. Actually, I have to exit this. Wait, how do I exit again? Quit without saving changes. Okay, there we go. 80 Fahrenheit is 6 Celsius? I don't think that's right. I think it's like 20-something. You need a lot of things to consider if you're going with MBR. Yeah. Okay, so I want to wipe FS, -A. I want dev SDB. Got a sudo. Okay, so that was erased. Let's go back in here. Okay, so should be able to make a new one. Right, partition 1 default, yes, I want that to be 200 megabytes, right? Okay. Make sure you leave 2 megabytes before the first partition. If you want to overcomplicate things for yourself, go for it. How am I living? 80's not that hot. It'll be fine. New partition. Right. 200 megabytes. Oh, whoops. Did it in the wrong spot. 200 megabytes. All right, and then we want to change that to EFI. Whoops, that's not the right one. I thought it was number 1. Okay, we want... Where did EFI go? Bro, what is happening? What did I do? Oh, God. It was working before. What did I do? Okay, hold on. Let me do something real quick. I screwed something up. Let me disconnect this from here. Wait for that to show up on my PC. DVT is what you use in 2024. Everything is assuming you use that. I'm not sure you understand what I'm saying here. Yes. Then you forgot to do G first? Possibly. I'm just going to reformat my drive. And we'll see how that turns out. Hello? I said connect to the host. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Mods, appreciate ya. Okay, well, we were making progress until this happened. Okay, it's not... Why is it... Hold on. I need to... Why didn't it pop up? There we go. Been 77 minutes. Shee. Okay, so I just need to... New simple volume. I'm just gonna format it in here and then redo it because that's the way that it was. So, okay. So we'll do that. Give it a GPT partition table. connect it here. Okay, so now go ahead. I want to list. Okay, cool. Format it in Windows is GPT partition table. Yes. Okay, so now let's go fdisk dev sdb sudo. Thank you very much. Okay, so now make a new. Actually, I should probably do a wipe fs sudo first. Bros Pros, what's going on? Doing this as a challenge or just something that you want to do for a video? I might make it a video later, but for me, it's very much a learning thing. So sudo wipe fs -a dev sdb, not adb. That's a freaking Android thingy. Fdisk is very outdated and overcomplicated, but you do. Fdisk is the way to learn it more closely. Yeah, I just want to. I want to learn as much as I can from this. Okay, so that's been wiped. Sudo first. Sudo fdisk dev sdb. All right, and then to make a new partition. Vexel, thank you for the $2 super chat. Thank you very much. Or is that a super sticker? Thank you very much. Appreciate ya. Should show up in the thingy at some point. Okay, we'll accept that, and then we'll do 200 megabytes. You have to understand that there are two things, partition table and partition file system. There are two different things. Yeah. A DOS partition layout? Oh, that's true. Device does not contain recognized partition table. Created a new DOS MBR disk label. Oh. That's not what I want. Bro, how do I... What the hell? Okay. Guys, just bear with me. Just bear with me. I am so sorry. Wipe it again. Okay. So now... we want to... fdisk in here. And we want to create the GPT partition label. Okay. I see. Time is going backwards. Placing a timeout by the owner of this video or moderator? I don't know. Must have been doing some not so good things in chat. Use gparted. I don't wanna. New partition. 200 megabytes. Very nice. Okay, that's more what I was hoping to see. Parted, use parted. FDisk has been around since MS-DOS time. You know what? I'm just gonna rage bait and just make you guys keep wanting me to use it, but I'll never use it. Do I even have gparted? I do. Oh, whoops. Switch to LFS. That is the password. What do you mean it's not the password? Had this issue last time. With F-Disk, you edit the entire disk with parted. You also can, but you also can go directly to the partition. Ah, I see. I see. Use parted. I will dislike if you do not use parted. Not cheating with G parted. Okay, well, you know, if you guys... I'm just sticking with this. You guys are doing too much. A new partition. Partition number 2. 200 megabytes for EFI. Make sure that we don't do that incorrectly. Okay, change the type of the second one. Number 1 should be EFI. Yes. New partition. We'll make this 2 gigs plus 2G. That's going to be our swap. So type number 3 is going to be 19. Linux swap. New. And we'll just accept the defaults for that. Just finished 2 beer bottles and I'm only 14? That's not okay, bro. I don't have time and want to watch the stream. Well, after the stream, I'm probably going to go to sleep. Please use parted. No. Learn command line. You just need to understand the difference between device and dev SD blank partition SD blank in. SDX in. Yeah, this is very much a learning thing for me. So, bear with me while I, you know, stumble through this whole thing. So if I do P, we have our boot, EFI, swap, and the rest of the drive. Okay. So we want to write that to the disk. Okay. Now let's go, hold on, back over to my cheat sheet of commands. Right. MKFS-V -T ext4. I want to do that, the drive name, and then we want to do SDB1. Not a directory while trying to determine, determine file system size. Oh my god. Just do SDB1. Ah, okay, I see. All right. So that's done. And then for our vfat-f32. And then we'll specify our second partition. And makefs.vfat's not found. Oh my gosh. Please use pardon. Use Windows? No. Should rename the stream to using F-Disk for God knows how long. Hashtag make brand use parted. Well, I'm already this deep in F-Disk, so. Should be VFAT. Yeah. Make FS VFAT. So is parted just installed, or is it, do I have to install parted? It's already installed? Okay. Install the tools for VFAT and make FS. No operations specified. Is it Pacman-S or? I'm on. Okay, I keep getting the -S backwards, but I'm on Arch because they forced me to. DOS FS tools. Okay. Okay. Do not use Pacman-S without updating first. And reboot? I've never used Arch before, so. That's SYU? What does that do? Dash SYU and then package. Oh my god. Okay, so do I just need to run this then, right? As it is? Need to reboot after you do it? Yay, guys, we did it. Remember to drink your water. Guys, my neck hurts. Still learning the YouTube mod system. Not as easy as Twitch. No need to reboot. Water does indeed taste like water. I will agree with you there. And water's good. It is, indeed. Your water tastes sweet? What the hell? The only time you might want to reboot if the kernels are downloaded, otherwise log out, log in is enough. If you even need that, nice. Okay. Let's see. Fun fact, water tastes like water. Breaking news. Okay, you guys are gonna have to tell me how to use parted, because I don't know how to use parted. I had this whole cheat sheet of how to make these partitions and everything all written out, and you guys are telling me something different, so. Hello? My water doesn't taste like water. Help. Don't use parted. Now you guys are telling me not to use parted? Bro. You can always check Gen 2 Wiki for guides. Just guides on partitioning with parted. Okay, you know, I'm just gonna do it my way, and you guys can watch. How to use parted? Use parted. Dot fat. Okay, I'll try dot fat. F32 dev SDB2. Ah, there we go. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, and then we're going to sudo mk swap -dev -sdb3. Okay, so that is now our swap partition. -b -t. Hello, Java hater. Love the username.
Oh my god. My head is literally so big. -v -g ext4 -dev /sdb4. Oops, forgot to sudo. Alright. Let's freaking go, dude. So all of the commands, like
If they're not happening right away, it's because they are queued. So once you put in your command, just give it some time if something else is going on, and it will eventually do its thing. Okay, so if I go in here, so I have. Okay, interesting. So things are happening. I want a break from the ads. Oh, God. Okay, so we've created our partitions. And we made a file system on the partition. Okay. Did I make the effects myself? There are some... It's called... I don't remember what it's called, but it's like certain effects for OBS. It's like certain filters and stuff. But you guys using your points like activates the filter within OBS through StreamerBot. What's the Wavey song named? It's from Yoshi's World or something like that. It's like the song when he like touches the little fuzzy things and he like gets high in a way. Should get a mic for streaming. Get one of these. It's cheap. Well, cheap to me, but yeah. Oh, God. Gonna give people motion sickness. Okay, throughout this book, the environment variable LFS will be used several times. Ensure that the variable is always defined through LFS build process. It should be set to the name of the directory. Building mount LFS as an example. Choose directory name you want. If you're going to be building LFS on a separate partition, This directory will be the mount point for the partition. Directory location, and set the variable with the following command. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna use this one then. Alright. So now if I echo $LFS. Yay, we have mount LFS. Cool. Alright. We can create the mount point and mount the LFS file system with these commands. Okay. So now we can do make directory ev $LFS. I have to freaking sudo everything. Created mount LFS. Okay, so I've actually made that directory now. Alright, and then we can probably should sudo mount -v -t ext4 dev sdb4 $LFS. Alright. Try sudo exclamation once, by the way. I will have to. Okay, so our free space has been mounted to okay, so that that free space has been mounted on the LFS directory. Okay. Gonna make another directory. -v $LFS/boot. That's gonna be our boot directory. Sudo. Alright. And then we're going to mount our first partition. Since that is our boot partition. ext4 sdb1. We're going to do LFS/boot since that is our directory. Slowly recovering your points. You can use SQL injection to get more points. Okay, and for our swap, we're gonna do sudo sbin swap on -v/dev. That's gonna be sdb3. Oh, whoops. Forgot the slash. There we go. So now that's our swap. I think he messed up the boot partition type because it should be fat. It'll be fine. Okay, so that is done. Packages and patches. Okay. Noco Plays, how's it going? How much experience did you gain with Linux since the start of your channel? Because like around the time you started your channel, it seemed like you did not know a lot about it. I know so much more about it now than when I started the channel. A lot more. Still not as much as I wish I did, which is why I'm doing this. But yeah. I need to know everything there is to know about Linux. Chapter includes a list of packages that need to be downloaded in order to build a basic Linux system. Good to hear. Yeah. It's been pretty fun so far. What does age do? It tells you how old I am. The listed version numbers correspond to versions of the software that are known to work, and this book is based on their use. Highly recommend against using different versions because the build commands for one version may not work with a different version unless the version is specified by an LFS erratum or security advisory. The newest package versions may also have problems that require workarounds. Workarounds will be developed and stabilized in the development version of the book. Okay. Bro just did Emperor Palpatine voice. For some packages, the release tarball and the Git or SVN repository snapshot tarball for that release may be published with similar file names. Okay, downloads may not always be accessible. The download location is changed since the book was published, blah, blah, blah. Download packages and patches will need to be stored somewhere that is conveniently available through the entire build. A working directory that is also required to unpack the sources and build them. LFS sources can be used both as the place to store the tarballs and patches and as a working directory. Okay, by using this directory, the required elements will be located in the LFS partition and will be available during all stages of the build process. Welcome to Chapter 3 of LFS Brain Rot. It might work for me then. You ever heard the tragedy of Darth Jar Jar Binks, the unwise? Bruh. He actually made the partition? I did. After everybody yelling at me, I just used frickin' F-disk and got it done anyway. Gotta go now. Have work tomorrow. Wish you all the best with your learning journey in Linux. Keep it up and do not give up. Thank you so much. You're probably the nicest, most helpful person that's came in here so far, not telling me what to use and what to do and all this other stuff, so I appreciate you. Not saying anybody else in here has been doing that, but, you know, we've seen it. We've seen it. Switched to Linux because the SSD on my crappy laptop was failing. Crashed less than Windows because Linux doesn't crawl around the file system as often as Windows. That's pretty too. That's pretty accurate too. To create this directory, following command is user root. First time seeing ID10T stream. Let's go. I am not sure how to pronounce your name because it's in Cyrillic, but appreciate you being here. Okay, so let's go ahead and copy paste this directory so that we can have that as our working directory. Oops, gotta... Actually, I'm gonna try that sudo thing that somebody said. Nice! That's pretty cool. Create backdoor if user does it, ban them. Okay, and then make this directory writable and sticky. Sticky means that even if multiple users have write permission on the directory, only the owner of a file can delete the file. Okay, cool. Following command will enable the write and sticky modes. Cool. Let me sudo that again. Nice. Thank you for that tip, by the way. Whoever told me that. I don't remember, but I appreciate you. There are several ways to obtain the necessary packages and patches to build LFS. Those can be downloaded individually as described. Next two sections. Hold on, is this still... Okay, cool. I want to make sure that's still on the copyright-free music. To download all of the packages and patches used by wget list sysv, input to the wget command, use this. Right. How do you gain points? Chatting and not being stupid. No such file directory. It's interesting. Had a gaming laptop that worked better on Linux than on Windows because on Windows it had random reboots, at least on a clean install. Not sure about stock install. Interesting. Getting audio crackling on Windows and Linux? Yeah, it seems like a hardware issue at that point. Okay, so after I even sudoed this command, no such file directory, no URL. I just used what they put on here. Do I have to install wget, or is it already on here? I mean, it's telling me that there's no such file directory, so it must recognize wget then. No URLs found in wget list sysv. Huh? So input file wget list sysv, continue, directory prefix. So it's trying to download it and send the list sysv to the sources folder, but it's saying that there's nothing there. Wget is installed. Yeah. Got your money back? That's good. Install wget if it shows command not found. Yeah, that's what I was a little bit curious. But I was like, no, it's giving me feedback, so it's got to be installed. Like, will I get free points if I join your Discord? No, you will not. But if you do become a member, you get a 10% boost on points, like level points in the Discord. So you do get that. Run ls. Whoop, that's KS, not LS. Do I have to sudo even for LS? Wait, where's my LFS sources directory? What? A YouTube member, yeah. Someone ever ran the in-stream command? No, because it's 1,000,000 points. Oh, Beam, thank you for the follow on Twitch. Appreciate ya. If anybody is watching on Twitch, I want to end here. Come over to the YouTube where we're going to continue. But, yeah, I'm going to end Twitch. So make sure that you go over to YouTube. Okay. Echo LFS. That's true. So it's in MNT LFS. So where's that? Okay. Okay, there's our sources folder. So it's there. So I mean, whoops. Oh, whoops. How do I get back to where I was? Oh God. Mount is it's a root directory. Just do cd mount LFS sources. I see. No such file directory. Oh, whoops! I did dots. That's probably why. Wrong key, dummy. Oh, yeah, it is there. I just got a sudo. What? Not be run directly. Maybe use privileged shells. What? Back from eating IMAX. Saying you should download file, then reference that file with the wget command. If you have trouble with this, like some scratches, no, you should focus on. Why is it not letting me go back to the thing that I was already in? I'm gonna do what I want to do. You're on the LFS user, and you do /home/LFS. No such file directory. Okay, well, I'm here now. Okay. Bro, what? How was I in there before, but it's not gonna let me back in? What? It says permission is denied, but I was already there before. Just bought the silliest keyboard today. Some keys on it are yellow, others are black. This makes the keyboard look like a smiley face. Let's go. Guys, I'm so confused. Well, I mean, we're here now. So, why was I able to... Thank you for the sub, Pyre. Appreciate ya. Thank you for the sub, Vifo. Appreciate ya. But if I... So, gained 10 subs in the stream. Let's go. Probably from my video, but they're probably not actually watching. But just say thank you just in case they are. So if I'm here, that's like, why can't I get into that folder? It just says that it's denied. But okay, so if I was in that working directory, this folder that I can't get into, does that mean that I need to recreate everything for the LFS user? So if I go back up one, my LS, let's see, we have all this stuff. Right here. Okay, there's LFS. Use your Linux distro rather than eat my computer. Just do exit and then up key. Ah, you're so right. Thank you. Thank you for that. Okay. So, okay, if I don't understand. Okay. So, if the LFS user has these listed, but my main account user can see the directory listed. Send a hi to my friend Paul. Hello, Paul. Hello, Based Gaming. That's the folder for the Braden user. Okay, so this is... Okay. Okay, where did LFS go? Oh, do I have to remount my freaking drives, dude? Run Sue. Why do I need to run that? I think I needed to run that. Things your VM host system user, not the LFS root or whatever you're trying to do again. I never used LFS, but I think that may be it. See, as the LFS user, I made the directory LFS sources. But when I ls... Okay, let me just do this again. Okay, so now if I echo, what's that? LFS, still nothing. Oh my gosh. Chapter is brain rot of LFS. Sources is in MNT LFS sources. I'm not exactly sure what is happening right now. Because if I echo LFS, nothing comes up anymore. Do I have to remount my stuff? Hold on. What do you mean missing operand? I have to sudo this as well. Web Wizard, what's up? Spirit of Haiku OS, I have. What do you mean missing operand, Linux? What do you mean? Can you pet your cat in the stream? I only have dogs. Export LFS equals MNT slash LFS. Cat, dog, same thing. Okay, so what did that do? Ah, there we go. Thank you. Thank you. It is working now. Okay, so it said all the way back here, it says the environment variable LFS will be used several times. Should be set to the name of the directory where you will be building your LFS system. Use the MNT LFS as an example. Okay. It says, having this variable set is beneficial, blah, blah, blah. Can be typed literally. The shell will automatically replace LFS with Minty LFS. Okay. Because it's said to run everything as the LFS user. So I don't think we need to make any other directories or anything. Telling you installing Linux from scratch is the worst thing you could have decided to do. You haven't even used Arch. Truing. Gonna predict that you're gonna give up? No, dude. You don't know me. My fiance will tell you that I will brute force something until it actually works. Pet the dog. Okay, so we've already done all that. We've made sources. And we did that. Okay, and then this is the one that we were having trouble with. Sudo, and that. No such file directory. No URLs found in wget list sysv. What do you mean? 90% sure he's gonna give up? No. Philosophy is strange. One thing even stranger is brain installing LFS. Click on the link. Oh. I see. As an input to the wget command. To download all of the packages and patches by using wget list sysv as an input to the wget command. 0 chance of giving up. So do I just have to go through these individually or something? Which ID10T video? What the hell am I supposed to do? Oh, I see. Okay. I was just being dumb. Okay, file wget. Whoa, that's not supposed to go that far. Why is it? Hello? What the hell? Linux is broken. I don't have a mouse anymore. Guys? What just happened? Mahmood, thank you for the sub. Appreciate ya. Razo, what's going on? Linux loves breaking? Yes, it does. What do I do? I can't restart or else I'll have to remount all of my drives. Linux breaks on the best of days. Indeed. Try pausing the VM and resuming it. Suspend guest. Preserve your environment and data for later use. Yes. Okay. Let me see if I relaunch that, if it'll work. Kernel panic. This is your host system, I would say, if your caps lock light is on. It's flashing because explains the kernel panic. Yeah. Check task manager. I'm not running any commands that I don't know what they do and aren't in the LFS book. You little rascals. See if your caps lock key is blinking. I will once I get the VM back up. Remember to drink your water. No wonder why Windows 11 was having a ping issue on keyboard. Ha, you're done. I guess I am done until it starts working. How could this happen to me? Only drink coolant. Brother, your diet is messed up. If you don't listen to us, you'll waste your time. Nah, I can get it working eventually. I'll get it working eventually. You know? Get it working eventually. Okay, I will be right back. Why did the be right back stuff not come on? What is happening? Anyway, I'll be right back. Okay. Let's see here, where were we? Virtual machine. Alright, get our Arch installed in. Oh my god. Oh my god, I look like a horse. This filter on. Bum, bum, bum. Welcome back, thank you. Bum, 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 bum. Oh god, not RTX off. Well, we're gonna be in pixel hell for now. See what you guys did. This is all your fault. It's all your fault. Just kidding. Hopefully this actually works and we're able to continue. Guys, how many subs am I at? 6354? Choo. Let's go. You'll love to see it. Almost 25k views on the video. Oh my gosh, we're cooking. I remember messing around on a game engine, my computer was freezing up and number lock and caps lock was having a delay. And we're back, and it's still not working. Oof. Nothing.
Oh, whoops. What if I send Control-Alt-Delete to the system? That is not working. Check if caps lock is blinking. No. Caps and numlock are no worky.
Reinstall? Bro, I don't want to do all that over again. Control C. Bro, I don't want to remount the drives. Okay. Well, ain't no other way around it. VM no worky. That sucks a little bit, but oh well. If you want to reinstall, maybe try OpenSUSE instead of Arch. Nah, we'll be fine. Alright, put you not up there. Put you over there. Put you over there. Restore session. And we're back. Okay. Back into LFS. Okay. You ate the VM. Okay, let's go back to mounting the frickin' drives. Remount the drives. Okay, so we have to mount -d -t ext4/dev/sdb1 x or money LFS. What? Gotta go. Thank you, thank you. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Oh yeah. Export LFS equals /mnt/LFS. Oh, what just happened? $LFS. What? Is there like a space? What? Why'd it work before? Oh yeah, you might be right. The drive isn't. Yeah, the drive isn't connected. Okay. There we go. There we go. Now it's reconnected. So let's try that again. Still no worky again. Why is it no worky? Let me copy it directly how they have it here. Okay. Now it just decides to work. No worky. Okay, let me copy this, paste it here. Just have to go back and change this to SDB1. Sudo. Actually, let me sudo double exclamation. Nice. Worked a lot with permissions. Nice. Yes, now we just have to mount all this stuff again. Oh, whoops. That was actually supposed to be partition 4. How do I unmount? Did I just unmount? Unmount. Guys, how do I unmount? That was supposed to be partition 4. Or can I just tell it to be 4 and then tell it to mount 1 to there, and it'll just switch it for me. You need to create an installation script for LFS. I tried unmount. It says that it's not a command. U-mount. Okay. That's so weird. Okay. It has been unmounted. Let me change that to 4. Whoops. We need mount. 4. Yeah, that has been mounted. Right, and then need to mount dash B dash T ext4 slash dev slash sdb1 $sign LFS. That goes to boot. Super user. Should have seen that coming. Right. How am I? I'm doing great. Gyro. Hope I'm saying that correctly. Okay, and then we do sudo sbin swap on dash v dash dev slash sdb3. Nice. Okay. Are you eating PCs? I said it. I said it the right way. Nice. Let's go. Okay, so all of our drives have been remounted. Now we can continue. Okay. So those directories should already be created and all that. And then, okay, copy this, paste it into here. Hopefully this doesn't get wrecked again. Okay, and then this, the file is going to equal this, right? So file equals that. Ah, permission denied. So yes, I was correct. We just sudo like that. Guys, I did it. Maybe. It says no URLs found. It's interesting. MK directory home LFS. Why do I need to do that though? I already made the directory for all this stuff to go in, the sources directory. Love watching this. I don't have a clue what you're doing, but anyway, we're in the same boat then. Okay, then should I just reinstall Arch and then just reinstall Arch and just make the main user LFS? It seems like it would be a lot easier, you know. But I already created the directory for LFS and sources and everything. So then it's gonna be a whole different directory. No, don't, it's been 2 hours. Like the stream and subbed, of course. I subbed already on the first video. Nice, let's go. Need to make a home folder to save some other files. But that sources directory is not gonna be under the LFS user though. It's not under the LFS user, so why would I make another home directory if I'm not storing files to it anyway? See what I'm saying? Next stream title, installing LFS in only 150 days. At this pace, it might take us that long. Hold on, I just want to look at this real quick. Okay, so it says the file is already fully retrieved, nothing to do. David, what's going on? Can I get a sip from your water? I missed the water cup. Yeah, here you go. There you go. I'm just trying to do it by the book so that nothing breaks. Like, don't get me wrong, I appreciate the help, but it's like I want to do it by the book so that I make sure that I'm not, you know, doing anything wrong or gonna mess anything up. Because if we get through, like, you master, thank you for water, master. Because like if we get through the whole thing, like days of working on this, and then I figure out that everything was installed in the wrong place, then I don't want to have to redo like days of work, you know? Okay, there you go. Been on the computer for 4 hours. I'm watching this stream, and half of the time it's just, just please listen. I'm so tired, bruh. Okay, so do I have to make another directory, like mkdir LFS sources again, or no? Is it fine? Okay. Do I have to run this wget again? Take ownership of the new folder? Flawless carrying the stream, it really is. Gonna be done reading 1984 more LFS is installed. Okay, how do I take control of my folder? I know it's CH something. It's got to be. CH own. Chone. And then just the directory.
You guys have such big reactions when I do something wrong. Okay, so if I do ch on dash help. Okay, so ch on so ch on an option
Reference, blah, blah. Bro, what? Change the owner and or group of each file or owner and or group. With dash reference, change the owner and group of each file to those of our file. What? Let's modify how hierarchy is traversed, blah, blah, blah. You can't send the ch own command. It blocks it. Oh, it's interesting. I guess send it in Discord. Yay. Sudo ch own. Okay. I'm just gonna type that in. Okay. So sudo ch own -r LFS directory missing operand after LFS home LFS. What do you mean? Bro, you guys really use this OS every day? At least you're gonna be a Linux expert at the end of this, right? Maybe. Brandon is gonna be a Linux expert, yeah. Remove the colon. There we go. Okay, you want to use ID10TOS? Okay, we got it now. Okay. Okay. Will this be public? It will. Well, it's gonna go into a playlist as well. Can you press Windows R and then type MSG *hi? What does that do? I don't know. I don't trust that. Chatting with friends. Break back now? Okay, yeah, no worries. Okay. Just right-click the link. Right. Right-click. Sends every computer to a network which shows high. I see. Copy link address. Where'd it go? Copy link. Yeah, just copy link. Opens a window and has the text hi. Oh, I see. Interesting. ID10T, what's your favorite Source Engine game? I used to play Gmod all day, every day. It's so fun. So, wget and then just paste the link. It doesn't need any of this then. Gonna make a game engine from scratch? That's gonna take you like years. Run that command after first wget. Okay. So wget and then that. Right? Oop. It's broken again. We should do a stream where Brayden does a game engine from scratch. That's not gonna happen. Guys, it's broken again. Well. Thank you for the sub, Chris. It seems holding down left arrow key breaks Linux. Makes a game from scratch? Bro, I'm not gonna make anything from scratch except for maybe this. Who knows? So I don't use Linux. Bro, why does this happen to me? I'm gonna have to remount all my freaking drives again, bro. Jesus Christ. It crashed again? Yeah, because I held left arrow key. Make scratch from scratch? I don't know. Can I sign into this one now that I have a home directory? I can indeed. Okay. Let's freaking go, dude. Yeah, I already got you. Like some scratch book? What the hell is that? Book online. Read LFS online. Stable. And we were like, I gotta mount the freaking things again. Actually, I've got to display. Apply. Keep. Okay. Just take next time Windows, not Linux. Exactly the reason why I don't use Linux. Yeah. Okay, so go ahead, remount our drives. -v -t ext4 /dev /sdb4 $sign LFS. I gotta reinsert the drive. Oh, it is connected. It's interesting. Poorly configured system, and that's the reason why we're so poorly. Hey, get out of here. Just ate a sandwich? That's better than computer parts. export LFS. Oh, yeah, you're right. Export $sign LFS equals /MNT/LFS. Okay, I'll just copy it how they do it, because somehow that actually works. Sure. Okay. Remount my drives. Must be super user to mount. Why does it not work? Do I have to make the directories again? I have no experience with Linux. No bar is a good distro to start out with. Am I gonna use KVM? I don't know. Why does it say that I still have to be a super user to do these things if I own the folder? System call failed. Can't look up block dev? Bro, what? Why is this so hard for me? Why does it have to be this hard, dude? Ugh. Okay, what is happening here? The drive is here. It's here. Sounds like a secret ninja tactic. So true. Okay, so it sees LFS. I don't think LFS is free. Bruh. I will get it, guys. I will freaking get it. I don't understand why this worked earlier and it doesn't work now. Believe in you, sort of, always sort of. Run ls-blk and check if the disk is detected. Yeah, SDA 1, 2, 3, and 4. They're all there. Or SDB. SDB is there. Oh, 1 and 2 is showing up. I don't know why 3 and 4 is not. Where did 3 and 4 go? It's been 3 hours just listening to Mama. I think I will. Yes, we're still here. No clipped into the back rooms, for real. It switched them. Oh yeah, SDA. Why did I switch it? Yeah, SDA is now the PS4 drive. Okay. SDA4. Okay, now it's working. That's weird. We just changed the title to installing Arch manually now. No, gonna sleep. Have a good one. Good luck with the stream. Greetings from the Netherlands. Thank you. Hope you have a great night of sleep. Okay, so now mount -v -t ext 4 /dev /sda1 LFS. Stay here for 5 more minutes. Okay, that one's gonna be LFS /boot. Okay. And then we need to sbin /swap on -v /dev /sda 3. Oh, I did dbin and not sbin. Little bit of a typo there, mate. And I mistyped SDA3. SDA3. There we go. Okay, drives are remounted. Oh my god. Bum 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 bum. Okay, now we're back to here. 8 time zones every time Braden streams. It's almost night here in Europe, or at least in Sweden. Yeah, sorry about that. I want to throw up. That song is called All Applications. Let's see, OBS Studio Assets. Wavey. It's called the Overworld Theme Fuzzy. Oh god. Now Floppa can't help me. Okay, so now sudo wget, and then we copy link and we paste, right? So I copy the wget list sysv, and then I paste it into the wget command, right? Send the song in Discord. I will if I happen to remember. There, okay. So we do that. Okay. And then we do this command, right? Don't do it as sudo? Well, it's too late. Okay, so now we run this command, correct? Okay. Cool. Okay, yeah, that looks like that's working now. Okay. Thank you, Floppa. Thank you. I shall listen to you from now on. Sorry that I did not before. Clark, welcome back. How are ya? We're actually making progress thanks to Floppa. He's carrying the stream because he actually knows what he's doing. 6K subs, let's go. Or I think we're like getting close to like 6.5K. Yeah, 6360. Chewy, bud. Them subs are flying. Floppa's your friend? Let's go. Using OG Unix for 9 years. 9 years! Oh, 2 years. That makes more sense. And you get more water. Thank you, Game World, for the sub. Appreciate ya. I gotta fill up the water pitcher while this does its thing. And we're back. Lightning, hello. How's it going? Hello. What the Sigma? Oh, that's some good water. That's some good water. It's not flexing. Yeah, I am definitely not flexing. Flop would be the one flexing. He knows what's going on. How long does this usually take? Like a few minutes or something? See, the way that they word things in the thing in the book is a little confusing, because they don't tell you to run a wget with like copy this link and then do this command. It just says to put in that command. A little confusing. It says to download it, and wget downloads it. Ah, okay. Download all the packages and patches by using this as an input to the wget command. Ah, okay. It says to download all the patches as an input with the wget command, use this. So that's why I thought you just put in this. Forgot to mention that you need to create a folder that you actually have to have permissions for. That is true. That is a little bit dumb. Please name the Linux image Airhead OS. Probably gonna do ID10TOS. Not Flex, but I've been using Linux since about 2017. Nice. How many chapters are there? I think there's 8. We're on 3. We're getting there. Nice, that's done. Additionally, starting with LFS 7.0, there is a separate file, MD5 sums, which can be used to verify that all the correct packages are available before proceeding. Place that file in sources and run. Okay, so we need to separate file MD5 sums. There's hair on my mic. So we need to put the MD5 sums file into sources folder and then run this command. Still streaming? Yeah. You'll use it on your laptop. Let's go. Been waiting so much for the ISO for Arrowhead. Petty made you a package manager? That's true. I will probably use that. Okay, so what do I do with this? Gyro, see you later. Glad you could come by and have fun. Hopefully you had fun. Radio FM, what's going on? How you doing? How you doing? Okay, so it's like the Amethyst SZS stream. We should a Mario Odyssey speedrun. It's like 8 hours long. Jesus Christ. Starting with LFS 7.0, there's a separate file, MD5 sums, but where is it? Can be used to verify all the correct packages are available for proceeding. Gonna switch accounts, alright. Don't actually have to verify the checksums if you don't want to. Is it mandatory? Okay. I guess I'll just move on then. This check can be used after retrieving the needed files. A message list above. Packages and patches are downloaded as a non-root user. These files will be owned by the user. File system records the Owner bytes UID, the UID of normal user. Systro. Assign an LFS, so the files be left owned by an unnamed UID in the file LFS system. Okay, I should probably run this then. Right? So that the files that, yeah. Okay. Operation not permitted. There. Sudo chroot. Yeah, okay. That went through. Cool. Next. Download or otherwise obtain the following packages. Oh, enter password for sudo. Duh. There we go. Now it went through. Hello, hello. I don't know how to pronounce your name because it is Cyrillic, but hello. You switched accounts. Very nice. Vintage tech enthusiast. Okay, should I just download these through Pac-Man? Or should I, like, manually download them? Is it quicker to do it through... Oh, I already downloaded these? Is that what the, see you later, Shady Penguin. Is that the, big wget thing that we were doing? So, Sarah, what's going on? Hopefully I pronounced your name correctly. Soccer A, so Sarah. The wget command did that? Okay, yeah, cool. So, we've already got all these. Alright. And, do I need to get these patches, or was that also done in the wget? Why not make yourself a root user so you don't have to write sudo every time? It don't really bother me. Not sure. In addition to packages, several patches are also required. Packages correct any mistakes in the packages that should be fixed by the maintainer. Patches should also make small modifications to make the packages easier to work with. Following patches will be needed to build an LFS system. Okay. So I just download these. SubtleNet, thank you for the sub. Appreciate you. Do I have to run these? Or do I just download them and then it's fine?
I don't really understand. Oh, God. Not the Airhead. Okay, I'm just going to delete it for right now. Because I don't know. You subbed? Thank you. Appreciate ya. DMAT, what's going on? Download them and move them to the source folder. Okay.
I shall download these. Alright. And then if I go here, sources. Alright, and then open up downloads in a new tab. I just drag these into sources, right? Move here. Yeah, okay. It says to overwrite. It says, it's already in there. Already there? Yeah. I think, maybe. Oh yeah, the patch is already here. Yeah, I see the patches in here. glibc, core utils, bzip. Yeah, okay, they're all already in here. Cool. Very nice. Chapter 4. Let's go. Guys, we're actually getting somewhere. Thanks to Floppa. Or a few additional tasks to prepare for building the temporary system. Create a set of directions. Save up points, and then on your most popular stream with the most viewers, I will end stream. Create a set of directories in LFS, which we will install the temporary tools, add an unprivileged user, and create an appropriate build environment for that user. Oh, God. Okay, so here's where it's going to get complicated, I guess. Also explain the units of time, SBUs, to measure how long it takes to build LFS packages. Provide some information about package test suites. Okay. Populating the LFS system with pieces that will constitute the final Linux system. Cool. First step is to create a limited directory hierarchy so that the programs compiled in Chapter 6 can be installed in their final location. We do this so those temporary programs will be overwritten when the final versions are built. Okay. So we're just building temporary pieces, pretty much. Okay, yeah, so we're putting temporary programs where permanent programs will go later. Okay, so create the required directory layout by issuing the following commands as root. Okay, so we have to be root. Go to root. And are these separate commands? Or do we have to do this like all as one command? All at the same time. Okay. Copy this. Paste that. Enter. Directory is created. Okay, cool. It looks like that went through. And then still acting as root, create that directory with this command. Okay. Cross compiler will be installed in a special directory. Okay, so just run that. Oh, it says also as root, so gotta make sure I'm still in root. Oh, I am. Never mind. We're good. We're good. Paste that in there. Okay. Has been created. When logged in as user root, making a single mistake can damage or destroy a system. Yes, I know that. Packages in the next two chapters are built as an unprivileged user. Okay, you should use your own username. To make it easier to set up a clean working environment, we'll create a user called LFS as a member of a new group called LFS. Run commands as LFS during the installation process. As root, use the following commands to add the new user. It says as root, continue the following commands to add the new user. Well, we already added the new user, right? Should we add a group, though? I think we should create the group. Just run the commands. Okay. Copy. Already exists. Already exists. Okay, cool. I think you said to do that earlier. Nice. Okay. Okay, so now we can exit. Okay, now we're back to the LFS user. I'm waiting. They need to be rooted before making a user in the system. Need to add LFS to the LFS group. Okay. Since you already created the user. Okay. I guess I need to be root for that, right? You didn't add it to the group when you created it? Okay. so user mod -ag LFS. Okay, so now that should be in the group, right? So now I can exit out of this and just go back to the LFS user. Grant LFS full access to all directories under LFS by making LFS the owner. Skip password, okay. Hello Greg, how's it going? Grant LFS full access to the directories. Okay. All at the same time. Okay. Probably gonna have to sudo this, right? Sudo. And paste. Password. Failed to change ownership of lib64 from root to LF. Okay, actually, I should probably be root for that. There we go. Okay, that worked. Now we can exit. Hello, hello. Okay, so next start the shell running as user LFS. This can be done by logging in as LFS. Console. Okay, we're already the LFS user, so we don't need to do that. The dash instructions instructs Sue to start. Okay, yeah, we don't need to worry about that. We are already logged in as this LFS user. Which thing am I in? I don't know what you mean by that. Set up a good working environment by creating 2 new startup files for the bash shell while logged in as user LFS. Issue the following command to create a new bash profile. Okay, I'm guessing just copy and paste. Okay, that seems to have worked. Yes, we're doing LFS and then we're going to do BLFS. Okay. 49 likes on the stream. Let's go, dude. And I'm guessing I just need to run this. There. Okay. 46. $360 subs today. Let's go. The new instance of the shell is a non-login shell which does not read and execute contents. Hold on, guys. I will be right back. Sorry guys. My mom called me. Okay, so add a undocumented what? Instantiation of what? See you later. I don't know how to pronounce your name, but hope you have a great rest of your day, evening, night, whatever it is for you. Display has the potential to modify the LFS user environment in ways that can affect building of critical LFS packages. You are so right, Floppa. Make sure the LFS user environment is clean. Check for the presence of bash.bashrc, and if present, move it out of the way as the root user. Run that. Okay. So I go back in here. etc. Okay, this has nothing in it, so it should be fine, right? Okay, yeah, I don't need to do anything with that because that's not even there. Many modern systems with multiple processors, compilation for time packaging reduced by performing low vexel. Only program how many processors are available via command line or an open variable. Okay. It has 8 performance, 16 efficiency cores. P core can simultaneously run 2 threads. So each P core has models. 32 logical cores in total. Do not just pass J32. Yeah, I know. I know that. One obvious way to use all logical cores is by allowing swap to spawn up to 32 build jobs. This can be done by passing J32 option to make. Okay, so I gave the machine 4 cores. So do I pass in J4 or J8? Because I don't know if a VM, has that as, I don't know if it counts them as performance or efficiency cores when you give it cores. J8? Okay. Make dash J8. Because I gave the machine 4 cores, so I assume each of those cores is counted as, yeah, always 2 threads per core, yeah, so that's what I was assuming. So no targets provided and no makefile found. Okay. J4? I have issues. I'm in the wrong folder. It didn't say to switch to a different folder, did it? Yeah, it never told me to switch to a different folder. What? New instance of shell, which does not read and execute contents of EDC profile. Try ls mnt LFS. Check if there's a makefile. Okay. ls dash mount dash LFS. There's no makefile. Do I have to make that directory? Or did I do something wrong to where it wasn't created? Sources? Maybe. No, never mind. That's where we installed all that other stuff. Well, isn't $LFS just mount LFS anyway? So yeah, it would just be the same thing. We're gonna have to start all over, aren't we? Let me clear. Never pass a J option without a number to make sure it's an option in make flags. Doing so will make a spawn infinite build jobs and cause some stability problems. Yeah, definitely don't want to do that. Try and find a make file with find. I'm gonna try that. Find /mnt /LFS pipe grep make file. I'm guessing that didn't do anything because it did not return anything, so well, that's a bit rough. Guys, is there a way to get this to like 2560 by 1440 or no? Hold on, what if I just make it 4K? Holy Jesus. Okay, never mind, that's too big. Can you like set a custom thingy? It would need to open VM tools and a reboot. Ah, never mind. Never mind. Use a file manager to search for it. True. Okay, so you go in here. Okay, what folder did I just go into? Okay, sources is where all that stuff is. DC is empty. Boot shouldn't have anything in it. I shouldn't have anything in it. Shouldn't have anything in it. That's fine. Magnifying glass? Ah, I see. There's no make file. Oof. On Janeo, when I click on the removable media down here, this is /mnt/LFS. This drive is LFS, but yeah. I'll search at the root of the drive. Make file. No. Well. See, guys, I'm learning. I know some things. We're getting there. Just needed help with the hard stuff. And everything else. LFS is so much brain rot. Truing.
Oh my god, literally head so big. Literally head so big. Just imagine like bouncing ball noises, like bong, bong, bong. Me along with my two best Linux nerd friends failed to install it. Oof. I think it's just saying that? That the file doesn't exist?
My god, head is normal now. Literally, head is so normal. export make flags J8. Okay. Make flags equal to dash J8. So I probably have to have that all together. Okay, cool. Building Android ROMs can be held to. Okay. I see. Variable and its content will be automatically as a make command. Okay, cool. So we just needed to do that. To use all logical cores, blah, blah, blah. Okay. You said to move on, so I will trust you. How do you get points? Just being an active chatter. Okay. SBU is a standard build unit. Okay, so that's the amount of time that it takes to build, right? Oh, to move on with the other commands, okay. Use all logical cores available for building packages. Set make flows now and bashed out RC. Okay. Copy, paste. There we go. Finally, to ensure the environment is fully prepared for building the temporary tools, force the bash shell to read the new user profile. Alright, I can do that. I need to modify the command to set the cores. Yeah, I was like, what did I do wrong? Oh god. Okay, so right, test suite. Running the test suite new build package is a good idea because it can provide sanity check and that everything compiled correctly. Test suite that passes its set of checks usually proves the package is functioning, developer intended, and does not, however, guarantee that the package is totally bug free. Okay. So this is probably fine. Okay, chapter 5. Oh, man. Whoa, what did I do? Oh, God. No, desktop 1, thank you. Okay, well, I've been streaming for 3.5 hours. We're getting some stuff done. I think I'm gonna leave it here. I'm going to, isn't it suspend guest to keep everything how it is so I don't have to remount my drives and everything? Chapter 5 says introduction. Yes, suspend. Okay. Yeah, let's preserve your environment and data for later use. Okay, cool. I'll show this message again. Okay, awesome. XK, quite a lot. You missed quite a lot. Make sure to keep the disk plugged in. Yes. The disk will stay plugged in at the time that I resume it. Okay, gotcha. Core Dump, thank you for the sub. Appreciate ya. Every stream, skull check. Do you have one? What's up, bro? Love your content. Thank you. Thank you, Rick. My name's not Rick. This is a good episode of SpongeBob. Have to use your host GCC to compile pre-GCC. Do you have to compile GCC? Oh, well. Plug in the disk. Tomorrow we continue? Possibly. We shall see. Use a pre-built compiler to compile compiler's compiler, which you then have to compile with the compiler. 59th Android ROM? That's a lot. Compiling compiler sounds suspicious. The compiler just vented. What the hell? Gotta go. Need to get up early for vacation. Ooh, hope you have fun on vacation. It'll be very nice. Unplug the disc and turn on VM, trust me. No, I have to remount all my shit. It'll be so annoying. Oh god, one final wavy for the road. Oh god. Happy motion sickness, everyone. Bum, 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 bum. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Oh. See, if I would have just did this, like...
Oh, my Naz, then I wouldn't have to worry about it. Bro. You guys like my voice right now? This is actually, like, true voice reveal. What if you switch scenes right now? Then you'll see my desktop. What happened to my wallpaper? I set it to a dark version of the Windows 11 default. Swear to God, if you manage to install LFS, I'll go crazy.
Let's go. Can't Toad do it? I mean... Actually, yeah, does that even work? Hopefully it works. Just to test it. Huh. It did not work. Let me fix that.
Where did it go? Why is it not in the thing? That's interesting. Have a cool Windows 10 thing you might want to see? Ooh, okay. Hold on. Where did it go? What the hell? Let me add game screen, default, generic commands. Alright, create a command in here. Game screen, basic commands. Right, YouTube message, moderators are allowed. Generic commands. Okay. Or commands, command triggered. Game screen, okay. OBS. Scenes. How did I do that before? There's a transformation pack which one-to-one makes your Windows 10 install look like Windows 7. Ooh, that's pretty cool. It's actually really cool. Hold on. OBS. Scenes. The hell? Do a stream with the arrow pack. How did I do that before? To switch the scene. What? Why do you guys want to know how old I am so much? Bro, why can't I find this? OBS, scenes, and why is there not a thing to make scene active? Huh? Hail. Do a vid on Arch. Imagine you're actually 65, but you think you're 23. Oh, God. Guys, I swear I'm 23. I don't use... God, now I forget. It ruined the joke. What's the beard and, like, hair dye to make it, like, brown again for old men? I swear to God, I don't use that to look 23. Let's see here. Set the host name to Arch. Bruh. I don't understand. Have I ever smoked? Yeah. I don't anymore, though. Bro, how did I do that before? Why is this so confusing? OBS, and then why isn't there a thing to switch scenes? It's like the most basic thing in OBS. Oh, set active scene. I'm dumb. Game screen. There we go. Okay, now that game screen thing should actually work, Kato. If, or any of the mods, if you want to try it. Set the host name to your credit card info and the last 4 digits of your SSN. Big brain. OBS is not working. That's just OBS being OBS. Gonna do it. Oh, he did it. Now you guys see my desktop. Okay. Don't abuse it. I'm glad that it works, but please don't abuse it. So you cracked Premiere? Yeah. It's gotta be that way. Oh no, that's actually a custom thing that I made. So here, it's a VBS script. This is a batch that launches Premiere Pro, and then this is the PowerShell script that runs both of these at the same time. And I just made a shortcut for it so that when I run this with PowerShell, it opens up my Premiere Pro and all of the folders that have all my video editing assets. It opens them all up into one page on my file explorer. So I just launched that one thing, and it launches all the folders that I need to start editing, and it launches Premiere Pro all at the same time. It's so nice. You crack every paid software? Can't say that I don't. But, alright guys, I am going to hop off of here and probably go watch YouTube myself and take care of my fiance, make some food, all that kind of good stuff. Crack to make it legit. Let's go. Bought VMware, worst choice of my life. True. Like 12 a.m. right now. Jeez. Get food. I shall. I'm hungry. Vintage, see you later. Everybody who was in here, thank you for the memberships. Thank you for the super chats. Thank you for the super stickers. Appreciate it all. Appreciate everybody who stopped by and stopped in the stream, had fun. Stop drinking, Kato. It's not good for you. See you all later. Appreciate ya. And yeah, I will catch you guys next time. Probably not gonna be tomorrow. Hold on, I gotta skip those ads because we're doing an outro anyway. But yeah, probably not gonna be tomorrow. But yeah, hopefully some other time this week we can do some more stuff with LFS, and it shall be fun. But yeah, appreciate everybody who stopped by. Appreciate all the support you guys have shown during the stream. It's been awesome. Thank you, Floppa, for all the help. Could not have done it without you, at least this far. But yeah, I will see you guys later. Hope you guys have a good one. Peace out.